Alpro Architectural Hardware's access control keypads have been installed at St Pancras International Station, the London terminus for passengers travelling on the Eurostar to and from France and other continental destinations. The installation was part of security upgrades during the largest rail refurbishment project in the UK this century. The keypad's robust design provides protection against airborne contaminants, including brake pad particles, a familiar problem at railway stations, even in areas away from platforms. They are also vandal-resistant and suitable for up to 200 users. The keypads ensure that entry to operational areas of the station is restricted to appropriate personnel, thus contributing to the protection of the travelling public. Benefiting from a technology which converts pressure on the sensors to an electrical charge, the keypads have no moving parts. The unit's security plugs are also tamper-resistant. Keith Parry, Divisional Sales Manager at Alpro, has commended the performance of the keypads, saying these keypads are proving a default choice in environments where protection against contaminants, reliability and maintenance-free performance are vital.